Hey, it's Jason. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about pumps. % of the water features that we install, we use internal pumps, where we house the pumps in the skimmer box, in the negative edge, or in the intake bay. However, there are times that we like to use external pumps or need to use external pumps, such as swimming pools and recreational ponds. The benefit basically to the external pumps is it takes all of your electricity and puts it on the outside of the water.
So when it comes to recreation swim ponds, the mechanical theory and setup is very similar to that of a pool. Now the filtration, skimming, that's a little bit different, but we have two external pumps that are powering the rec pond here behind me. One goal of Turpin is always to make things as natural as if we were never there and everything was built around it. So in order to conceal these pumps that are in front of me now, we did a little modifications. We painted some things black. We have some landscape specimens that are going to grow up and basically block the view of these pumps from any of the aspect areas, the viewing areas from inside or the patio.
So the way that it works is we have a 3-inch suction line here, which then passes through the pump. As that water passes through, it pushes it out our 2-inch discharge, which then underground switches to a 3-inch line, or actually 2 3-inch lines, depending on how far we got to push water and different things like that. Once those are primed, the water just recirculates and pushes the water through, just like the internal pumps do. The water, as it's passing through here, pushing it through this pipe, is actually what is creating the draw and pulling that water out of our negative edge or intake bay. So I hope this explains when we use external pumps and what they are. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.